Before you begin, remove the access panel, the front bezel, and the drives cage. Removal. Detach the speaker connector from the motherboard. Free the speaker connector from the cable guide on the bottom of the PC. Remove the two P1 Phillips head screws at the front of the PC that secure the speaker to the PC. Slide the speaker to the side and pull the speaker out of the unit. Replacement. There are small metal guides on the front inside of the PC for correct alignment of the speaker. To replace the speaker, slide the speaker into its guides, aligning the screw hole on the speaker with the screw hole on the chassis. Replace the two P1 Phillips head screws at the front of the PC to secure the speaker to the PC. Reconnect the speaker to the motherboard.